very happy today to be supporting you in launching this pioneering study, the SOGIE Diversity Index in the Philippines. The SOGIE Diversity Index can be an instrument for companies to see what aspects of their businesses they can improve and how to make their business more inclusive to all.
It's the first in the region, it's the first in the country. It's a milestone for LGBT advocacy in the Philippines also. It's a way for us to understand when we talk about businesses, when we talk about diversity, are we really having the stuff that we talk about in our own companies?
When we say LGBT friendly, what does it really mean? So there must be a way of tangibly measuring that. So thus we pioneered the index. So these are some of the key findings which you can also see in the report which we gave you. So only 17% of companies that we've interviewed have policies in place against discrimination on the basis of SOGIE or sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression.
Corporate culture in the Philippines is generally still heteronormative. As long as government and labor regulations do not include SOGIE policies, companies will not be inclined to change theirs. Companies fear that having anti-discrimination policies and inclusive benefits may cause them to lose market share and customers, considering that the Philippines is a conservative country. Developing and implementing policies, SOGIE inclusive policies and benefits are not a priority for companies that operate in the Philippines.
So the results of the first ever Philippine Corporate SOGIE Diversity and Inclusiveness Index for 2018 might be dismal, as you've seen today, but it doesn't have to end there. So this is a challenge for all of us at the Philippine LGBT Chamber of Commerce and the LGBT plus community in the Philippines in general. So for 2019, as a challenge to all of us, we'd like to unveil our main campaign, the hashtag 0 to 100PH. So our goal is to get from 100 companies a pledge of commitment and support to support our LGBT professionals through LGBT inclusive policies and practices. The Corporate SOGIE Diversity and Inclusiveness Index will be our benchmark for a more diverse and inclusive society, specifically within the corporate setting.
Audio Jungle.